What's going on, guys? And today we are in Pattaya, Thailand. Yes, a different country this time other than Japan or Guam. So right now I just made my way to the floating market, and I heard that it's a huge marketplace that's above water. So right now we're gonna go ahead and check that out and see what this market has got to offer. Also, it's really hot. I'm like sweating so much right now. So I better catch up with my other peeps and see what we can find. So this market's above water, so I'm guessing that's why they call this the floating market. I cannot get over the fact that it's like super humid here. I got myself a little mango juice made straight right there in front of me. It's the only thing that's giving me cool right now. I'm sorry, I just dropped my napkin. I'm so clumsy. Yeah, but looks promising. Lots of stores, lots of souvenirs. I see a bunch of games that you could play. I mean, that's pretty neat. So let's go. You have your different food stands around, ranging from seafood, a little bit of Japanese food, and of course you got your little souvenirs as well. So yeah, the more I walk into the market, I see more and more little small boats like that. They're like selling small stuff like snacks or little souvenirs. It's pretty cool. Have a little own shop. I'm gonna see if I can get on that boat later on and Tokyo drift around the market. Looks promising. Earlier I ate at a restaurant by the beach, but now I'm kind of regretting it. There's a lot of good food here. Should have saved my appetite, but you know what? Next time I'll come here empty stomach. So I was walking around and I saw this little foot spa, and take a look at this. It tickles so much right now. It's like getting a tiny million little kisses on your foot. It tickles so much right now. I'm just saying, my feet better be like super smooth after this. Like they're going at it. It's been like this for like 5 minutes, like non-stop. So, well, that was something. My feet are a little smoother, so I guess that counts for something. It was like 100 bahts. That's like $3, so I guess it was well worth it. It tickled so much though, like so much. So guys, show you around the market, see what it's like. Lots of good food, lots of good souvenirs to buy, interesting stuff to see. It's called the Floating Market in Pattaya. It's a bit of a drive from like downtown from the beach, so I recommend like using Grab or even Uber. But that's my suggestion though. Also, apologies if I didn't get to ride the little boat. It was a little bit of mix-up, and apparently you have to like book it like a week in advance. Actually, no, not a week in advance, like a couple of days in advance. Sorry, it was like big exaggeration. So sorry you couldn't get to see that. But hopefully next time if I ever come back here, I'll try to ride the boat and I can Tokyo drift it around the market. But hopefully this video was a little bit informative, to give you a little taste of like what the market's like. And if you want to keep following me on my adventures, to see what I do next, go ahead and please like and subscribe, and catch you later.